What are the 5 chemical reactions? It's actually quite simple. There is color change, gas production, light production, temperature, and precipitation. You may be asking yourself, why the heck did I need to know that? Well, let me break it down to you. I'm doing a science project. So strap on your seatbelt and be prepared to learn about the 5 chemical reactions. Little Timmy has a little science project he needs to do in his school, and so little Timmy gets his supplies when he arrives home. He needs to get some random stuff, such as... He put the 2 ingredients and noticed how there was a change. He didn't know what it was, and so he checked his local science library. While reading, he found out that setting a fire actually caused a few chemical reactions, that being light production and temperature. Basically what happened is, when he put the fuel and the fire together, he created a giant explosion of even more fire. He also found out in his book that there was actually a lot more chemical reactions than he thought, such as gas production, which can happen by putting baking soda and vinegar. After mixing these 2 substances, this can lead to a... Little Timmy then learned about temperature change, which is actually exactly what happens with his fire. Basically, temperature change is actually kind of easy to explain. It's either the loss or gain of heat. That's kind of it. Color change is also pretty easy to understand. The color changes. And then there's light production. This one's a bit more interesting. You see, basically, I'm gonna use a glow stick for example. When you crack it, there's a chemical reaction that leads to a glow. And this can cause lights, and there's also how we get those cool neon lights outside when it's nighttime. Lastly, there's precipitate, which is basically a solid that forms when you mix with another substance and it sinks. And yeah, little Timmy's quest is over at this point, so bye!